So hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Sumrak Luna here for another toy review. So ang toy review natin ngayon, kagaya ng nirelease kong unboxing video, and nag-build din tayo ng Blowkeys Batman Beyond. So big shout out to Blowkeys. Now, before we go on with our toy review, magpa-plug lang ako. So, for today and until Sunday, January 18, you can go or pumunta kayo guys sa Alimol, Araneta City sa Cubao. Alright, there is an event there, toy event, which is the GrailCon, powered by Planet of the Capes by Sir Jom Indan. So big shout out to you, Boss Jom. It's located at second floor near Jollibee sa Alimol, Araneta City, just in front of Timber Toys. So yan, kung nakafollow kayo sa page ni Boss Jom, which is a Planet of the Capes, and as well ni Kuya Dran ng Timber Toys. Ayan guys, nasa picture nandito sa tapat ng screen nyo. Alright, so hanggang mamaya hanggang bukas nandyan ang GrailCon. So puntahan nyo, there's a lot of collectibles from 1/6 scale until 1/12 scale action figures, vintage or not. Alright, and kasama din nila sila Triple M, si Kuya Mark, ang Team Brocha, sila Busy Maru, Cuneo Toys by Attorney A, ZNZ Toys, and yung page ni Akira na Manok and Kineme, hindi ko na maalala, sorry Kira, and as well Happy House and many more guys, and pati din ang mga consignees ni Kuya Dran nandun din guys. So you can check out all of the items there from the GrailCon, and as well items ng mga consignees ng Timber Toys. Alright, so again, GrailCon, Araneta City, Cubao, mamaya na yan hanggang bukas, January 17 until 18 guys. Okay, alright, so yan guys. So ngayon naman, punta naman tayo sa toy review. Okay, alright, Batman Beyond, nakita niyo dyan. So far, hindi ko nasama sa video ng unboxing and building yung total time na I spent. So actually guys, 2 days ko siyang, actually not overall time, you can build this action figure na PVC plastic around 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yung time frame na natapos. So, pero sa totoo lang, araw siya. Tapos ako, syempre kasi I'm doing some stuff, right? So, paputol-putol pero na-timer siya. Kaya, or may stopwatch ako, which is pag magpo-post ako ng paggawa and may work din kasi, pinopost ko siya. Pero, ito talaga yung actual time. Ayan, kung makikita nyo sa screen, 1 hour and 26 minutes. Ginawa ko lang 1 hour and 30 minutes dahil dun sa other accessories, which is the wing. Alright, so moving on. So this is a 1/12 scale build a figure from Blowkeys. Now for this one, ang kasama lang niya talaga is the parts that you will build, okay, and then the other accessories. Wala siyang stand. So, at that point pa lang, for me, medyo nakakalungkot. Wala siyang flight stand kasi, as you all know, Batman Beyond, and may wings siya. So, he needs a flight stand. Yun lang yung parang medyo nalungkot ako ng part na yun dahil walang flight stand. Overall naman, on my honest opinion, okay, medyo mahirap yung pagbi-build nitong blockies na to, dun sa mga small parts lang. So, napakadiin. Detail-wise, I would say this is a 9.5 for me. Okay, in my opinion only. Maganda. Pag nabuo mo na siya, maganda yung matte finish, black matte finish siya. Kung makikita niyo sa screen, ayan. With the actual glossy red. Yeah, itong nandito sa dibdib, yan pati sa wings. Napakaganda, guys. Wala akong masabi. Now, sa articulation, to be honest, maganda sana siya kung maganda yung articulation. There are some articulation na medyo mabibitin ka dito sa blockies, and as well, at the same time, excuse me, when you twist a particular joint, okay, like the arm, minsan natatanggal siya. Mas madalang siya or mas mabilis siyang matanggal compare sa gunpla pag nag-move ka ng mga body parts or joints. Yun yung down part. So sa articulation for me naman, I rate it at around 5. Sobrang baba. Kasi if I will compare it with the Megatron, if you all remember last year, yung Megatron na Blowkeys, mas okay pa ang joints nung Megatron Blowkeys. Mas maganda yung articulation niya, kahit papaano, compared dito sa Batman Beyond. Lalong-lalo na dito sa itong double jointed na connector niya para sa knee, sa elbow, yan, no? Ito yung usually na natatanggal kahit nagkiklik na siya na kinabit mo. So, yun. At another thing is medyo mabigat yung wings na yan. So, there are times na kahit it can stand alone, okay? Pero, you need at least a flight stand or a flight stand para ma-support yung wings or yung weight niya kasi medyo mabigat yung wings, okay? Now, detail-wise pa rin, okay siya, articulation doon siya. Then, with the wings included na, ang height niya is at around 5.59 inches. So, around 6 inches nga. Part pa rin siya ng 112 scale. Ang kinaganda lang din dito sa Blowkeys na to is the alternate hands. Maganda yung alternate hands niya. Napakadami. Kagaya dun sa unboxing video kung makikita nyo. Ayan, no? May claw, open hand na parang scratch hand siya or mga ngalmot. Ito. Okay siya. Wala akong masabi. Then, the Batarang, kuwang-kuwa niya yung sa animated series na Batman Beyond. Ayan. So, hindi ko siya ma-focus kasi naka-dual cam tayo. Pero, ito siya guys. So, ayan. Napakaganda. Ayan. Kuwang-kuwa niya. So, kumbaga, itong ginawa ng Blowkeys is, if you all remember, Revoltech releases the Batman Beyond action figure, parang dun kinuha yung concept din, yung idea na futuristic armored type Batman Beyond. Okay? Yun. Then, meron siyang grappling gun. Okay? Ayan. The grappling gun. And the gun. So, medyo na-disappoint din ako dun sa either stun gun na nakakabit na sa action figure. Kasi, why? Masyadong manipis. It's so thin, wala masyadong design or kumbaga sinimplehan lang, basic lang, yon. So far, overall rating ko sa kanya, I'll give it at least a 6.5. Even I'm a Batman collector, to be honest, medyo na-disappoint lang ako dun sa articulation. Detail-wise, it's all good. 9.5, but overall, dahil nga medyo nalilimitahan na yung pagpo-post mo ng action figure once you build doon ka nagkakaroon ng down point, alright, or na nakakalungkot na situation. Okay? And wala ding flight stand. So, overall, I just give it a 6.5 Sorry Brokies for the Batman Beyond. Alright? I will compare it to other Blokies that I got, like the Charizard. Maganda ang articulation nun. And as well, the Megatron. So, maganda din ang joints and articulation. So, yun lang yun sa akin. And hope you enjoy this unboxing video. And dun sa supporter natin na nag-request niyan, yan. That's my honest opinion. And that's how I rate this particular action figure from Loki's na Batman Beyond. Pero kung simple pose lang, yan, gaya ng ginagawa ko, ganyan lang, okay na rin siya. Kaya, ingat na lang din sa mga bibili ng Batman Beyond. Mag-ingat kayo kapag magbibuild kayo kasi may mga small items na pag nawala, hindi mo na matatapos siya. To be honest. Buti na lang ako, muntikan na, pero nakuha ko. Nakuha ko ulit. Okay? Baka mapunta sa black hole, hindi nyo na makuha. Alright? So again, this is Sumurak Luna. Thank you for watching, and please do like and follow my page on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and even in YouTube for more toy unboxing and toy review, guys. Alright? Sumurak Luna out. Happy collecting and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!